Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Y'all, I hope y'all watch this big video from the start to the finish. I'm not cooking in this video, but this is a very exciting video for me. Now, y'all know in the past year I've begun to use air fryers a lot. When they first come out, I was very apprehensive of using them because number one, I didn't know how to use them, and number two, it just I don't know, it's just something I just wasn't into. I was just traditional old school cooking. But in the past few years and months, I have grown to use them more, but there's limitations in the air fryers that I was using that I own. I actually own two of them. If y'all watch any of my air fryer videos, you've seen both of them. I actually own two air fryers. But the limitations that I did not like is the size of them. I couldn't fit a lot of food in them. Y'all know when I cook a lot of food. Number two, I've cooked multiple things in the air fryer also. And the number three thing is, in the air fryer that I have, you can't tell what the food is doing. I like to kind of peek at my food, check at my food. I don't like to set a time and walk off and say, okay, that's it. Especially with something that powerful and that hot, I like to kind of check it because every food cooks differently. I finally had a company reach out to me about a month ago. The company is Deluxe. I'm going to tell you about them later, a little bit later in the video. Reach out to me that they want me to sponsor one of their products. So y'all know me. I don't sponsor any products. I don't endorse any products. I don't tell y'all about anything I use unless I use it myself and I really, really endure it. That's where I am. You ought to see the emails that I get from all kinds of companies want me to endorse this, want me to use this one. I don't care. I don't care how much money you throw at me. If I don't believe in it, if I don't use it myself, I'm not going to get on my channel, on my social media accounts and promote it. This thing here, I'm 100% behind. I haven't even used this yet. I did a lot of research on it. I watched a lot of videos on it. This is a limousine of air fryers. One thing I love about it here is this here, which I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to step off. I'm going to take everything out of the box, and I'm going to show y'all in just a second. I like to see what's cooking. It's just amazing. And the rotisserie part of it, I can put a 3-pound chicken in here and have a nice, juicy rotisserie chicken. I can dehydrate. This thing is an air fryer. It's a toaster, dehydrator. Something I always wanted, a dehydrator, but I didn't want to buy a separate machine. This thing does it. I can dehydrate my plums, my peaches, my pineapples that I love, and my mama really loved, and it's a healthy option for my mom. Like I told y'all, my mom cannot eat like she used to do, and I can't either. And I'm trying to do healthier items for her. I can roast vegetables in this thing. Everything is fat-free. It's like I said, it's a rotisserie, it's a microwave, and it's a convection oven. I can cook cakes in here, I can cook pie. It's limited what I'm gonna do with this thing and what I can do with this thing. I did a whole month research on this thing before I even agreed to anything. Also, the price is kind of steep, so I wasn't gonna agree on nothing until I get a major discount of people. A lot of people out there can't afford it. It's a $129 normal price. I got a 40% discount code to share with y'all on this thing for good for about a month and a half. And I knocked the price down to like 70 bucks. Only exclusive to my old school soul food family. So anyway, I'm gonna step off, y'all. I'm gonna unbox this thing. I'm gonna tell you what it come with, how it's set up. Can't show you what to cook in because the next few weeks I'm gonna be cooking a lot of food in this thing. I just want to let y'all know, if you want to get one, you can get one before I start cooking all these recipes in it where you can cook alone. But I really endorse this machine. Like I said, I don't endorse a lot of machines. You don't see me, and you see I do the food saver and a few pots and things like that. But this machine is a limousine air fryer. So anyway, I'll be right back. I'm going to take everything out of the box. I'm going to lay it on the counter, and then I'm going to continue this video. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, I got everything out of the box here. Okay, this is how it looks. This is, like I say, the limousine or the Rolls Royces of air fryer. This thing gonna do everything I want to do. I'm so excited. I don't get much excited about equipment, But this little piece of equipment here is amazing here. One feature I do like already is this door. See how the door opens up like an actual microwave? No sliding out of all that. I like how the door is featured. Okay, it comes with all these attachments, accessories in this box here. It comes separate in the box with it. You got a drip tray right here, which I already put in. You got a grill tray here. You got a regular rack. Get it out of here. Also, you got the basket here. Just put it in here, right? And you have to kind of put together. You snap right on there, and that thing rolls. You can take this out. Then you can turn it into a rotisserie. Take the little stick out of the box, which I'll show y'all when I do a rotisserie chicken. This comes out, this hooks on there, and you do and it hooks into the chicken, and you do your rotisserie chicken. I'm very excited about doing that. And you got your lift rack here to lift the basket out when it's hot. Also, it comes with this here. Close this up here. Nice instructions, of course. Then you have a cookbook here with all kinds of recipes and stuff that you might want to do. All the different recipes, which I'm definitely going to be trying some of the recipes. It's amazing. You can do souffle. Y'all know I love souffles. They got recipe in here for souffle. You can do cakes in here, like I say. They got a lemon pound cake in here. I'm going to try to do my lemon pound cake. Not the one on there, but I'm going to do pound cakes in here. You can do pies in here. Everything in this piece of equipment. And like I say, what was the selling point? Well, I can see what I can, hold on here. I like this also. I can set my temperature with the dial. I like this. Then you got all your features over here. How you want to cook it. And you got preset features. Just like every other air fryer, you got preset functions on here. See that? I love this thing already. And I haven't even used it. Because I like the lighted feature. I'm so into seeing, like I say, my food cooking, how it's cooking, and how it's not burning up, it's getting too dark, stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, again, this I think is $100, and don't worry about the $129. The link, I'm gonna put a link in the description of the video. Please go to the description of the video. People be saying, oh, you don't put the recipes, you don't put, it's in the description of the video. I'm also going to put the link up here and the website up here, somewhere on top of the thing, a screen here. I'm going to type that in here. It's tailtronics.com. And you go, and I'm going to put the type of air fryer in. They have other kitchen equipment. Another thing, any kitchen equipment that you purchase, they got humidifiers, they got, like I say, dehydrators. They got another air fryer on there, a little bit smaller size air fryer. Anything that you purchase on there is 40% off. It's not only for this one. The product code I put up here is for any equipment, kitchen equipment in there will be 40% off until I'll put the exact date up there. I think it's October 12th. It starts today and it'll go to October 12th. So you got a little bit over a month to use this. Please use it if you like air fryers. If it's in your budget, I'm gonna be doing a lot of recipes in this thing. Like I say, of course, in the holiday season, I'll be using my regular oven, but it's so healthy. And the healthy items, vegetables, chicken, and I can actually see. I just love to see my food cooking. I just do. I'm just like that. So anyway, I just want to share this with y'all. Like I said, I don't come on here a lot promoting anybody's equipment or utensils or things like that, but if it's something I know to help my old school soul food family and something that they can really use, and I can get them a major discount, not 5, not 10, not 20, but 40% off discount, I'm gonna come over here and share it with y'all. So anyway, just something I want y'all to know. I love this machine already, and I just don't know where I'm gonna put it. Something gonna go off my counter to my right. A lot of kitchen y'all don't see. I got a lot of counter space. I don't even show y'all, but yeah, something's coming off my counter. I can tell right now. But anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year: help somebody Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.